Welcome to Chapter 5, Teach It video. I chose to do Section 5-2B, which includes 2 and 4. So starting at number 2, A, it says -2 times -3. So in this situation, we'll look at the positive or negative here in front of the 2. This tells us whether we're going to add in or remove. And then the first number tells us how many groups. So in this situation, there's going to be 2. Then we go over here, and they're groups of -3. So I will be using manipulatives. In this case, the pink bears will be positive. So we're going to make 2 groups. And then, so it says -3 here, so we got to match that out. So I'm using green for negative. Okay, so that's what it'll look like. 2 groups of -3. In this situation, since they're both negative, they'll cancel out. So we'll just remove first set, remove second set, and we get +6. All right. Up next is 3 times -2. So in this case, I'm just going to use my pen. We're going to do 3 groups of -2. So 1 group, 2 group, 3 groups. 3 groups of -2. And all of this equals -6. All right. So then we go over here to division. So when we have a negative, this in the first position, it will tell us how many chips. So in this case, we'll have 12 or -12. And then we look at the sign here, and that tells us if negative will divide into that number of groups. So we'll look at -6 groups. Okay. So we'll do -6 groups, and there will be 12. So we'll go like this. And then here there's 2 groups. So 2. Okay. Then pretty much the same thing in this case. Here we'll have a -21 and 3 groups. So I right away put 3 groups out here. So here we have 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's 3 groups of -7. All right. And then, so this also included 4 here. In each of the following chips models, then circles are removed. Write the corresponding integer multiplication problem with its solution based on the model. Okay. So first we're going to look at A. So the overall number we have here is 6, okay? Then we remove the negatives. 6 divided by 2. equals 3. So here we took out these two groups, the negatives, so it just left us two positive groups. Okay, so similar situation here. So we have 8 and 8. So 16 divided by, so okay, 16 divided by, and then we took out the 4s, -4, and then this will equal -4. And we know this because negative times negative positive, so that will give us this.